Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Mac camera cover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone serious about their digital privacy and security in today's interconnected world, offering a simple, elegant solution to prevent unwanted prying eyes from accessing your webcam, ensuring peace of mind whether you're working, studying, or just browsing online, making it a crucial addition to your tech arsenal. Number 5. CloudValley Webcam Cover Slide. Worried about your visual privacy? This ultra-thin metal web camera cover is designed to keep your personal space secure. It features a subtle design. This beautifully complements the aesthetic of your top devices. It is beautifully layered in a matte black finish. This provides a clean, minimalist design. With its ultra-thin 0.023-inch design, it's compatible with a wide range of devices. This includes MacBooks, other laptops, iPads, iPhones, tablets, and PCs. To use it, simply align it to your webcam, attach, and press firmly for 15 seconds. It won't interfere with your web use or indicator light. Get peace of mind with this essential accessory. It offers discreet protection for all your compatible devices. What we like. This cover boasts an ultra-thin metal design, ensuring it seamlessly blends with your device's aesthetics. If you are looking for a discreet and elegant privacy solution that doesn't compromise your device's look, this is an excellent choice. Its wide compatibility makes it suitable for various devices, from MacBooks to iPhones. What people say. The camera cover slide features an ultra-thin design that allows laptops to close fully without interference. It utilizes a durable adhesive for a firm and lasting attachment to the device surface. The smooth sliding mechanism ensures effortless opening and closing for camera access and privacy. Number 4. MESMOS Cute Plant Camera Cover Slides. Protect your personal space with these charming camera covers. They offer a simple yet effective way to secure your digital life from prying eyes and unwanted access. Featuring a delightful plant-themed design, these covers add a touch of cuteness to your devices. They make an ideal gift for friends who appreciate both style and security. These versatile covers are compatible with a wide range of electronics. Use them on your laptop, phone, tablet, or even your smart display for comprehensive protection. Designed to be incredibly thin, they ensure your laptop closes perfectly without any gaps. You won't even notice they're there, maintaining your device's sleek profile. Applying these covers is a breeze, and they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue. Enjoy hassle-free privacy whenever you need it. With every purchase, a portion of the proceeds goes to the Single Parent Project. Choosing these covers means you're not just protecting yourself, but also contributing to a vital community initiative. What we like. This 6-pack offers a unique blend of privacy and adorable plant-themed cuteness. If you like to express your personality and support a good cause, this set is perfect for you. It also makes a thoughtful gift for friends who appreciate charming accessories and privacy. What people say. Number 3. Eyebloc Nanobloc Universal Camera Blocker Kit. Setting up your privacy has never been easier. Thanks to nano suction technology, it attaches securely in seconds. Unlike sticky alternatives, it leaves no trace behind. This kit includes 7 covers, featuring both dot and bar shapes for various devices. Its unique material allows for repeated use. Simply rinse it with water to refresh its stickiness and remove any dirt. Safeguard your personal space whether you're at home or on the move. It provides cutting-edge cybersecurity, protecting you from hacking and unauthorized access. Your data and privacy remain secure. Stand out with its incredibly thin and stylish design, available in various colors. It perfectly blends security with aesthetics. We truly have you covered, both functionally and visually. This compact and elegant black cover works seamlessly with a wide range of electronics. From laptops and PCs to tablets, iPads, and smartphones, it ensures privacy for everyone. What we like. Featuring innovative nano suction technology, this kit provides effortless, residue-free installation and reusability. If you need a versatile privacy solution that can be easily moved between multiple devices and cleaned, this 7-piece set is ideal. Its unique suction allows for repeated use without losing stickiness. What people say. Number 2. Eyebloc magnetic camera cover. This camera cover integrates perfectly with your MacBook's sleek look, offering both style and essential protection. It's designed for all MacBook models released before 2020, specifically those without a screen notch. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel with a powder-coated finish, it ensures lasting durability. Its elegant black finish not only complements your laptop but also provides crucial privacy. Measuring just 0.01 inches, this cover allows you to safely close your laptop without any risk of screen damage. It also works flawlessly with your device's ambient light sensor, maintaining full functionality. Featuring a magnetic attachment, it slides open and closed with ease, giving you complete control over your camera's privacy. This intuitive design ensures quick and secure activation or deactivation whenever you need it. As a vital addition to your laptop accessories, it's perfect for both professionals and students. It adds a crucial layer of security, protecting your privacy during virtual meetings and all your online activities. What we like. This cover offers effortless magnetic slide control for quick privacy management. If you own a pre-2020 MacBook and prioritize an ultra-thin profile that won't interfere with closing your laptop, this is designed specifically for you. Its premium construction ensures durability and a sleek look. What people say. Number 1. EYSOFT webcam cover. This innovative cover ensures your privacy behind any device. It slides open when needed and effectively blocks potential hackers from accessing your camera. Measuring only 0.022 inches, it won't interfere with closing your laptop lid. Its sleek design ensures a perfect, unobtrusive fit on all your devices. With a simple finger movement, you can open or close it instantly. The strong adhesive applies easily and removes without leaving any residue. It's compatible with a vast range of devices, from laptops and desktops to smartphones and tablets. Protect all your gadgets with this single solution. This cover is designed to withstand daily wear and tear, maintaining its strong adhesion. For cleaning, it can be easily disassembled into 2 pieces and reassembled. What we like. This cover features a strong, durable adhesive ensuring it stays put while offering a smooth, movable slider. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-maintain privacy solution that can be taken apart for cleaning, this is a great option. Its ultra-thin design ensures full laptop closure without issues. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.